I'll open it up, and here you see that assignment. What is history? Sources as evidence. I'm going to click on that, and then you'll notice that it says assignment, and it gives me a description of that assignment. Now, when I click on my document, you'll notice that it is going to ask me to connect to my OneDrive. Okay, I'm going to have to connect to my OneDrive in order to do that. So I'm going to pause this video here and connect this student's OneDrive so that you can see what it looks like from there. You will have to log into your OneDrive. That is simply using your school ID number and email and your password, just like when you log into it normally, when you log into OneDrive or Microsoft Word. It's the same thing. So let me pause just a second. Okay, so now that I have logged into the OneDrive, by the way, it is your school email and then the password, the same password you use to log into your computer, that 6-letter code. And when you do that, you'll have to grant Schoology permission. Please do so. It is a district product anyways, as well as your OneDrive. So give it permission to access your OneDrive, and then the activity will pop up. Now from here, it's just like any other assignment. You'll scroll down. I have provided you a spot to put your response. You will have to click. There is an edit button. It's a little bit out of the screen here right now. There is an edit button here, and you will have to click edit. Sorry, I forgot that part myself. Remember, this is new to me, just like it's new to you. So when you click edit, again, here comes your document. So of course, you absolutely need to read the information. You need to read the information. You must read and understand what you're reading. And if you can't understand, please reread again. We would have gone over this in class had we all been together. But yeah, you can figure this out. This is not really complicated reading here. Okay. Now, it has questions. You just simply click. I've provided you a spot to put your response. That's why it says your response. You just click there and you start typing your response. It is that simple. Now, of course, when you are done with that, you will need to submit that. And that means that you're going to go back and this is, let me scroll down a little bit here. This is where you'll have to go back to the tab, what is history? And then you submit assignment. Okay, and then you say submit. It's as easy as that. Okay, I hope that answers questions that you might have about how to do this process. If it didn't quite answer all those questions, please, please, please feel free to, hold on, let me say never mind, because I do not want to submit for this student. Yes, again, please feel free to rewatch this video. It shows you how to do it.